This is why drawing like an idiot is virtuous, because the smarter you get, the worse you draw. Let's take a look at the logic chain. What's virtue? It's excellence at fulfilling a thing's characteristic function. Not a single good act, but a habitual capacity to act well. What's this mean in simple English? Well, virtue is doing your job well over and over until doing it well becomes part of who you are. How is drawing like an idiot virtuous? Well, if drawing's job is accurate representation, drawing like an idiot isn't virtuous. It's simply bad drawing. But if drawing's deeper job is to discover what you do not already know, then drawing like an idiot can be an almost Aristotelian virtue because it suspends taste, competence, historical knowledge, and self-evaluation. It suspends it long enough for the drawing to move beyond our established habits. So the logic basically is that the essential purpose of exploratory drawing is discovery, not fidelity to reality. Intelligence and competence can trap you inside known solutions. Now, deliberate idiocy can reopen discovery. Therefore, drawing like an idiot can be virtuous. Drawing like an idiot is virtuous when not knowing helps drawing fulfill its function as a tool of discovery. When we draw like an idiot, we recover our innate stupidity. So rather than knowing, not knowing opens possibilities and makes drawing the undiscovered landscape of the mind. Drawing like an idiot forces us to suspend the crippling power of self-evaluation. Stupidity actually sets the drawing free because it holds the edifice of history and knowledge and our training and our education and our expectations and the local maximum in suspension. Competence can trap you inside increasingly sophisticated versions of things you already know how to make. Competence and intelligence initiate a formal, conceptual, internal arms race. Idiocy steps outside of this condition. Right, so what I'm saying, right? I'm saying that representational drawing, portraiture, is pointless. That's not what I'm saying. I was the Tate Modern in 2012, I guess, and saw the Lucian Freud show. Representational portraiture and drawing and painting that represent reality accurately is clearly not just a skill, but has beautiful power. The problem that I'm illuminating is simply that this is the accepted position. Everyone knows this, and it can become a trap. I would suggest to draw like an idiot, not because idiocy is good, but rather because your intelligence, my intelligence, has clear limitations.